Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a roamer able to do parkour. Step 1, go to Vehicle Config. Step 2, type in door. Step 3, remove the doors. Step 5, realize that you forgot to share what vehicle you're using as a base. The vehicle I'm using as a base is the Diesel V8 LXT35 manual. Step 6, continue with the original vehicle config. Step 7, remove other things that are not necessary. Step 8, replace the things that you removed with cooler things. Step 8, remove your seats. This is a solo mission. Oh, but of course keep your seat. Step 9, make your engine better. Step 10, make your suspension better. Step 11, make the upgraded suspension even better. Step 12, make sure your driveline is better. It is indeed better. Step 13, forget what else you wanted to change. Step 14, just for funsies, add some nitrous. Step 15, differentials. And step 16, pick your colors. It is now banana. That is how you make the roamer ready for off-road. See me in step 2 where I test the vehicle.